best news I could find on news information I could find on educational information on superplasticizers. This really is a good explanation. Let's critique it.
A natural chemical phenomenon lies at the root of this problem. Cement particles in concrete are irresistibly drawn towards each other when mixed with water.
So, take note of that. Just remember when you grab a Portland cement and you just put water with it, you create this paste and it's very sticky, isn't it? It's got a super plasticizer. It's super plasticity. Right? It's really gummy. You guys, you felt you made Portland only with water, right? It's really nasty, and that's what happens when you put the water on it. But you don't see it separating from each other. You get this new product that you could throw against the wall and it would stick. Of course, when it dries, it's going to segregate and you get cracks. But you guys get my point. You could put it against there, and you get this beautiful skin friction every which way about it. It's really smooth surface.
To produce concrete with greater fluidity without adding water, Lafarge's scientists have developed their own technology on dispersant additives, commonly known as superplasticizers. A dispersant is a molecule that physically separates the cement particles. These molecules temporarily neutralize the forces of attraction between the cement particles, and this gives the concrete a much more liquid consistency.
You see the way it worked? It changed the cement molecules, not the water. You know we call it an admixture, right? Follow that again.
Cement particles.
Hold on, let's do it again.
These molecules. A dispersant is a molecule that physically separates the cement particles. These molecules temporarily neutralize the forces of attraction between the cement particles, and this gives the concrete a much more liquid consistency.
The cement now has a little bit of cement, can now go a lot more. You'll actually get a stronger bond, stronger concrete using superplasticizers.
By taking a closer look, we can see that superplasticizer molecules are made up of long chains and links. The superplasticizer attaches itself to the cement particles in what is known as the adsorption phase. The quality of the raw materials used to make the cement can hinder this adsorption process. The latest generation of superplasticizers takes these cement variations into account. Its more powerful linking system rapidly covers all the particles regardless of their type. After this, each element has a role to play. The chains, which are also longer, separate the particles and fluidize the mixture. This is known as steric repulsion.
Follow that.
On reaction with water, crystals form on the cement particles, cancelling out the superplasticizer's separating effect.
You heard that? Let's do it again for you.
Longer, separate the particles and fluidize the mixture. This is known as steric repulsion.
This part coming up right here.
On reaction with water, crystals form on the cement particles.
The water, now the reaction with the water, crystals form,
cancelling out the superplasticizer's separating effect. To keep concrete in a liquid state for over 2 hours, Lafarge's scientists can control this natural crystallization phenomenon by adjusting the molecule's geometry and response speed.
And that's when when using Super P, you usually tell them what your delay time you like, 1 hour, 40 minutes, and depending on which supplier. If they experimented with it at all, they would know their products. But a lot of them just guess. And you could be there for 45 minutes to 3-4 hours if they do it wrong.
The science of additives therefore opens up greater opportunities for architects who, thanks to more pliable, solid, and longer-lasting concrete, can think up more sophisticated designs.
So, Super Ps, now you get the idea behind how they work. Super Ps. All right, terminating the video for you guys. You can just replay the video to re-educate yourself. You can also find the Lafarce Superplasticizers, The World of Fluid Concrete, the title of the video. You can find that and watch their entire video and do your own narrative if you don't like my narrative.